It is said that an Englishman's house is his castle. This means everyday's house is his castle. As long as you live every day, you have your castle. You call it home. An Englishman's house is a castle. I'd like you to value once again the meaning of existence of your home. The wise understand that when they stay at their homes, they're ready to be comfortable, ready to have the relaxation for them to upgrade their stages. The best place for them, best place for you to upgrade yourself shall be your home. Comfortably and by your favorite ways, you have your privilege to develop yourself through experiencing a lot of necessary processes for you to be higher intellectually. I'd like you to enjoy developing yourself. Whether you value the existence of your home or not. Totally, you have different state of future. Your future is not written yet. The point is how you try to do your best to develop yourself by your own way. There is no place like home. The lecture will be finished now.